It's been a very heated and charged day. Let's listen in.
The opposition is raising it and they want to discuss this SIR matter very seriously. But chairman did not allow. Government is not ready to discuss. This is very unfortunate for the country and it is harmful for democracy. So therefore we are fighting. We will fight today and tomorrow also.
आप ये पोस्टपोन करने का जो काम है, जिस वजह से हम मजबूर हो रहे हैं ये प्रोटेस्ट करने के लिए। हम भी चाहते हैं सत्र चले, हम भी चाहते हैं संसद की कार्रवाई हो। हम भी अपने अपने राज्यों से आते हैं पार्लियामेंट के लिए कि पार्लियामेंट में हम अपने मुद्दे रख पाएं। पर ये जो जवाबदेही से बचने का काम सरकार लगातार करती रहती है वो दुर्भाग्य।
देश का कोई भी मुद्दा हम चर्चा के लिए तैयार है। हम बात करके कोई रास्ता हम निकल करके सबका बात हम सुनेंगे, आपका भी बात हम सुनेंगे, सरकार का भी आप सुनना है। लेकिन यहाँ नारेबाजी लगा करके जो आप लोगों ने दृश्य पेशकश किया है ये ठीक नहीं है।
Parliamentary Affairs Minister told here, he called a meeting of all the opposition leaders and we had an elaborate discussion with him. And he said as now that Vande Mataram should proceed. Sir, we are never second opinion that it should be discussed. But at the same time, which is very serious, SIR electoral reforms, because 11th it has to be over and so many are dying and we want to discuss. So give priority to that. So we said, only today we insisted, later considering the situation of the government, we said we can take it tomorrow and day after tomorrow in both houses. He said he would come back again. Sir, you are going back to square one and repeating the same. Through you to the government, when we have some burning issue, we want to raise that in the floor of the house because people are expecting what the opposition parties are doing.
अभी भी ऑपोजिशन एसआईआर के मुद्दे पर मकरद्वार पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रही है। क्या संसद फिर एक बार
बिहार से अगर लेसन नहीं लिया उसका क्या उपाय? बिहार में एसआईआर का एक्टिविटी 1 महीने में पूरा हुआ और 1 महीने में के बाद जब इलेक्शन कमीशन ने कहा एक कंप्लेन किसी का नहीं आया कि हमारा वोटर लिस्ट किसी का नहीं, कहीं से तो कंप्लेन आता ना, अपील करता रहा इलेक्शन कमीशन। उसके बाद इतना बड़ा चुनाव हो गया बिहार में, कहीं से कोई मिला आपको जो कहा हो कि गया बूथ पर उसका वोटर लिस्ट में नाम नहीं? इसका मतलब ये लोग केवल झूठ फैलाते हैं और एसआईआर मुद्दा बिहार में था ही नहीं, कटा ही नहीं। इतना बड़ा यात्रा की और एसआईआर के मुद्दा पे ही चुनाव में बिहार का रिजल्ट जो आपके सामने में वो उसके बाद कुछ डिबेट बचता है।
बट सर इलेक्टोरल रिफॉर्म्स पे अगर ब्रॉड डिस्कशन चाहे तो विल द गवर्नमेंट बी एग्रीएबल?
तो कल कहा है ना पार्लियामेंट मिनिस्टर आई विल गेट बैक, आई विल रिस्पॉन्ड। जब उन्होंने हाउस में जवाब दिया है कि सरकार इस पर बात करेगी।
Alright, staying with the story, getting in more breaking inputs. In fact, sources are telling CNN News 18 that the opposition strategy is now going to be hinging on the debate on SIR and BLO deaths. But the government will be responding and showing them how in the past booth capturing, denying genuine voters a chance to vote, etc. have all happened, particularly in Bihar this time. Not a single poll was countermanded or even a repoll being ordered. This is a sharp contrast, remember, to the previous polls that Bihar had witnessed during its days of Jungle Raj. Let's quickly take that forward with Arunima, who brings us those breaking inputs. Arunima, why only Bihar? Look at the way booth capturing was happening in Bengal as well.
See, but Bihar SIR is something that government will cite because that is the case in point. If the opposition is going to make this a thing about SIR taking away rights of voters, SIR being an exercise which is exclusionary, then the counter from the government will be that SIR has also ensured that this time there has been no repolls ordered in Bihar, and if that is the way forward, then why not support this initiative by the Election Commission? Bihar was once notorious for booth capturing, where ballot boxes would be stolen, voters would be put at gunpoint. You're right, even in Bengal such cases have come out where voters have complained that the society gates were locked if the ruling party felt that the voters voters were not going to vote for them. And this is not something which has happened in the last 10, 15, 20 years. This has been, complained for many, many years now, which the government is going to highlight. Also coming back to Bihar, for the first time, Bihar elections happened in 2 phases only, because the law and order situation has improved, and that gave voters the confidence. The overall voter turnout, the fact that 71% voters were women who came out and voted in Bihar, will also be cited as proof that overall electoral reforms have gone hand in hand with SIR. So while TMC-led opposition will want to keep the focus on the BLO deaths,
Yes.
when they argue that SIR is taking away lives, the government is going to counter and say that, SIR is also an exercise which is giving voters the confidence that their participation in the democratic process is contributing in the right manner towards nation building.
Arunima, there's a conscious effort being made by the government to refer to the overall discussion as a discussion on electoral reforms. But as far as the opposition is concerned, take us through the strategy of the opposition, because we've observed that within the alliance itself, whether it is the TMC, the Congress, or even the Samajwadi Party, they've approached the issue with much difference.
See, I think if you see Congress party, what has Rahul Gandhi's rally in Bihar, his yatra in Bihar focused on? It has focused on vote chori, and that's his pet project. He's expected to speak in Lok Sabha, and I think that is where he'll stand, that this entire exercise of SIR is exclusionary in nature. You are carrying out this exercise because you want to take away genuine voters and their right to vote. You want to steal their votes, as he has argued, for Maharashtra, for Karnataka, something that the EC has contradicted. So I think Congress party will stick to that stance that SIR is exclusionary in nature. Trinamool Congress has come out in a very nuanced way. They have said that we are not opposed to SIR per se, but the manner in which it is being rolled out, the deadlines are short, the BLOs are under a lot of work pressure, and that's why many of them are committing suicide. They're dying by suicide, and therefore the deadline must be extended. Already TMC has taken credit for the 7-day extension that the Election Commission has given. So I think their focus will remain on those lines. Also the question of illegal immigrants. In the context of West Bengal, Bharatiya Janata Party will stand up and say TMC is a